What's going on, traders? John with Tactical Trading here. We got our Saturday video. Not OTC Saturday this week. I'm breaking it up into 3 different separate videos and then doing a short little watch list Sunday night. Just gonna change the format a little bit and concentrate on some stocks that we're watching for a little bit longer term swings. And if you've been following me on Twitter or my YouTube channel, you know APTY, Apt Systems, is definitely one of my favorite stocks. If we take a look here, this thing closed on Friday at 0.0104, down only about 3% on Friday. This thing traded 71 million in volume on Friday, so rather a good day as far as volume. If we take a look here at the share structure of this company, we go to the security details. Very good share structure here for an OTC stock. We have 2.75 billion authorized shares with an outstanding of 2.426. There is 53 million or close to 54 million restricted, so that leaves the unrestricted at 2.3 billion with a 2.1 billion held at the DTC. The float looks like it's 133 million, but that is from 2017. I am assuming this is not what I look at. I'm looking closer at the between the DTC and the unrestricted. And if we get any good news with filings, then we get good news, but I'm assuming that it's right around there. Also, if we take a look at the company overview here, first, let's take the company profile, the description. They have a rather large description that says, we are a company that specializes in the creation of financial platforms and innovative stock research tools and equities trading application called IntuiTrader and VeriFunder. Is a platform to manage escrow. This platform is where the VeriFunder is where they're dealing with their SPERA stablecoin, which they're talking about. So it says here that they're also we have dedicated charting indicators and apps under the brand Ken Charts that we intend to expand into tracking cryptocurrencies and our stablecoin SPERA. APT Systems recently launched its subsidiary RX Trading and Recovery Inc. to facilitate the refining of electronic scrap to recover gold and other precious metals, which may also be used to partially back the SPERA stablecoin. So they have a website, the refining company. They also have a couple other websites their own. They have the RX Gold website, the SPERA stablecoin website, which are all receiving updates at this time. In fact, this is their home website, and they have been updating this website for the past couple of weeks, which is now interactive. They've got their company profile in here in the website. So you can go through the APT website and thumb around in here and get an idea of what you're getting into if you're deciding to get into this stock. But all their websites have been updated, which definitely indicates that there is something big in the works here. If we go to the Refining Company Inc., this is their other website, which has been completely redone over the last couple weeks. And this is where they're planning on, if I'm assuming this is where they're planning on getting all their scrap gold, silver, and obviously here buyers of scrap gold, silver, platinum, palladium, and circuit boards. They're going to be using this to back their stable coins. Let's take a look here. So this site was updated. Their home website was updated. And now let's take a look at the thing that has me really excited about this play, and this is the stable coin. Now, they also mentioned they will have, or they will be working on other coins that will be solely backed by silver or backed by gold, or the combination of two. But right now, this is the actual jewel of the company here. This is the stable coin. It says stable coin to support VeriFunder escrow platform. And then if we go here take a look at the investor presentation, VeriFunder is at the intersect of banking, crypto assets, and fintech. If we look here, financial institutions, bank-supported service providers such as advisors, brokers, and trustees. Digital currency, focusing on wholesale virtual coins, wallets, and exchanges. Universally acceptable, rely on cash transactions and supported with mobile money apps in major banks. Supports economy and deposits, settlements, reserves, credits, and forex. So if we take a look here, this SPERA digital dollar really has me excited here. If we take a look here also, I want to just take a look at the specifications of the coin. The coin is SPERA digital dollar. The symbol is SRA. They plan to have this listed very soon. The coin issuer is RCPS Management, 100% APT subsidiary. So they're issuing their own coin within their own, under their own umbrella. Auditors, Malone and Bailey LLC. They tell the legal team, obviously, which wallet. The initial issuance, which will be 100 million. The max supply, it remains open at this time. The coin price $1 US, any applicable transfer fees, and it will be backed partially by the US dollar and backed by gold. So this is an exciting time with this company here. You know, this has a very similar situation caused another stock to have a monster rise, which we'll talk about. And if we want to just take a look here, I want to access the white paper here, and I do want everyone to do this. Go to the white paper, read about this. Go to the obviously tell you about the VeriFunder platform, and it goes through their SPERA plan coin, and it goes through all the details of this. So you're able to get, dig in and get a good idea of what you're investing in here. But this company has me excited. I've been in APTY for a couple weeks now. We called the stock out. What was it, about 3 weeks ago at .00 in the .003s, .004s. So definitely still holding this for a while. Definitely excited about this company. I think we have a lot of things going on here with APTY. Now, if we just go here real quick, I'm going to go to the APTY Twitter page just so we can see what's going on here and what the company has been saying. They just put out a tweet. We are excited about the stablecoin space too. For the record, we again confirm no reverse split or changes to the structure. So that's meaning no dilution and no reverse split. Now, also, just a few days ago, the company tweeted, we are working on providing regular updates starting today. So that's a good sign. The company went from basically being quiet and dark to very active. And I think that's a very good sign when you're investing in a company. Another tweet a few days later, SPERA versus all stablecoins before the end of the year. And they go through and it says APT Systems, working with OTC Markets, has already submitted its application for filing eligibility and paid all required fees. Financials are being readied for submission when approval is advised. That was on June 15th. So I am expecting filings this week, possibly next week. But I am expecting filings from APT Systems very, very shortly. We can go through, in fact, just a little breakdown of APTY, of just my little thoughts and my little breakdown and how I kind of see what we got going on here as far as APTY over the next few months. Going through yesterday, we got into HPIL, which this thing should have a nice run. We made a video on that. But if we go to APTY, the filings being prepared to be uploaded soon. SPERA stablecoin will be released by Q4 and will be backed by the US dollar and gold. Another token being worked on and backed by silver and gold, integrating updates and to the trading platform to make it attractive and profitable. They also are working on updates and have done the updates on all the websites. This is starting to look good, and once we see filings, I think we see a huge rip in this stock. So again, just taking a look here at the chart, and you can see we've had a nice pullback with some consolidation around this penny area. And I want to go over to another stock that reminds me of this, and that is Asia Broadband, AABB. Now, if we look at the security details of AABB, very similar to APTY. Now, they have a little bit less held at the DTC because they have a little more restricted shares than APTY does, but virtually the same share structure. Now, if we take a look at their chart, we can see we had an absolute monster move. Now, if you want to compare to where we're at in the chart, we're about right here. We're about right here in the chart, back at the beginning of 2021. Now, AABB did announce they were profitable. Then they came out with their AABB-backed coin. When that coin was released, this stock went from right around the 2-3 cent area and shot all the way up to 66 cents on the very same share structure. Pulled back very strong, as a lot of times these stocks do when they run like this, and then ripped all the way back up to the high 50s. Has now pulled back down, is wedging, looking like it's curling back up, but still trading at over 12 cents, which is levels above 6 times, well, almost 12 times where APTY is trading, almost 12 times. And you know, not that I always like to compare stocks, but once this plays pink current, and you know, we get the filings in, we get the SPERA stablecoin release, and more updates on what's going on with this company, I really see a very strong run and a very strong summer from APTY. So as always, we don't want to get overhyped on stocks or, you know, overly excited. But this thing, as you can see, I mean, this thing had a big rip, and it has held well over half its gains, and holding really strong on decent volume. So that tells me the interest is still peaked in this company, and I think we have a nice summer of ripping and running for APTY. I think once we get pink current, or once we get the filings dropped and go pink current, we'll start getting some updates on the SPERA stablecoin. The company did mention that they will be giving more updates, be far more active as far as giving updates now. So that's definitely something to look forward to. So don't really like to give price targets, but 5 cents is definitely not out of the question here, in my opinion. Absolutely love this play. This is a easy 60-day swing right now for me, to 90-day swing, and then about when that 60 days unfolds, we reevaluate, make sure the company's living up to their promises, and make another evaluation. So that's all I got for you today. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Any comments or questions, please put them in the comment section below. And as always, traders, let's get that money.